To withdraw money from Crypto.com, follow these steps. Open Crypto.com app. Launch the Crypto.com mobile app on your device or access the platform through the website. Log in. Sign into your Crypto.com account using your credentials. Navigate to Wallet. Go to the Wallet or Account section where you can view your cryptocurrency balances. Select Withdrawal. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Tap on the Withdraw or Send option. Enter withdrawal details. Provide the withdrawal details, including the recipient's wallet address. Ensure the accuracy of the address to avoid any loss of funds. Specify amount. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Choose network. Some cryptocurrencies have multiple networks. Select the appropriate network for the withdrawal. Confirm transaction. Review all the details, including the withdrawal amount and recipient address. Confirm the transaction. Authentication. Crypto.com may prompt you to authenticate the withdrawal with a confirmation code or other security measures. Check withdrawal status. Track the withdrawal status in the transaction history. The time for completion varies depending on blockchain network conditions.